Financial compass, navigating the future of security and innovation. From ancient bartering to the digital frontier, humanity's quest for financial security has been a relentless journey. Today, our financial lives are intertwined with complex global systems. But where did it all begin? Before coins and banks, trust was built on tangible goods. Early societies relied on direct exchange, a system of mutual need. Before the written word, exchange was an instinct for survival. Shells, hides, salt, all served as measures of value. As civilization advanced, humans began to record. The earliest loans and contracts were inscribed on clay tablets in ancient Babylon. On the banks of the Nile, the ancient Egyptians used hieroglyphs to record the nation's wealth and distribution, ensuring social stability. The emergence of metal coins standardized value and accelerated trade. The marketplaces of ancient Rome witnessed the embryonic form of early financial systems. Empires minted coins backed by their authority to facilitate trade and taxation. Money changers emerged, bridging different currencies and fostering international commerce. In the Middle Ages, the emergence of bankers and bills of exchange enabled large transactions and long-distance payments. But risks also followed. Formalized credit and debt instruments laid the groundwork for modern banking. From oral promises to written contracts, every agreement carried trust and responsibility for the future. The prosperity of the Silk Road facilitated the exchange of goods between different civilizations and spurred the need for cross-border settlement. Trade routes like the Silk Road necessitated new ways to transfer value across vast distances. Eastern wisdom also gave rise to unique financial models, such as Chinese money houses and flying money, which solved the risks of carrying large amounts of currency over long distances. The world's earliest paper money, jiaozi, embodied this innovative spirit and greatly promoted commercial development. The age of exploration saw the initial formation of global trade networks, raising new demands for international settlement and insurance services. The rise of the insurance industry, like Lloyd's of London, provided risk protection for maritime trade, an integral part of financial security. The invention of the telegraph greatly accelerated the transmission of financial information, making global markets react more swiftly. In the 17th century, the world's first stock exchange was born. Financial markets began to take shape, bringing new wealth opportunities and risks. The emergence of financial instruments like stocks and bonds allowed capital to be pooled and risks to be dispersed or concentrated.
I trust you've read my report.
Coffee houses became hubs for early stock trading and information exchange.
The potential is vast.
The Industrial Revolution generated immense wealth and unprecedented financial needs, leading to the expansion of the banking system. The promise of security was central to attracting deposits and building trust. Banks became central to personal and national wealth, safeguarding savings. The telephone and telegraph made financial transactions more immediate, but information overload also brought new challenges. Yet, greed and panic have always been constant companions. The 1929 stock market crash profoundly revealed the fragility of the financial system. Post-war, international agreements aimed to stabilize the global financial system. After World War II, the US dollar became the international reserve currency, establishing a dollar-centric global financial system that profoundly impacted global financial security. The advent of computers brought revolutionary change to finance, making data processing unprecedentedly efficient. From mainframes to personal computers, the leap in computing power was the cornerstone of financial digitization. Electronic data processing began to transform banking operations. The mid-20th century introduced revolutionary payment methods. like credit cards. Automated teller machines brought banking services directly to the public, anytime. ATMs made banking services accessible, and the emergence of the internet completely reshaped the landscape of finance. Internet access, starting with dial-up, gradually changed our lives and financial models. The physical infrastructure of the internet became the backbone of digital finance. Managing wealth without leaving home, the convenience of digitization is unprecedented. However, new challenges have also emerged. The frenzy surrounding emerging technologies also led to the dot-com bubble burst, once again warning of the risks in financial markets. Vast data centers power our global financial networks, demanding constant vigilance against threats. Cyber attacks, data breaches risks are everywhere in the digital world, calling for more secure solutions. It was against this backdrop that a disruptive technology emerged: blockchain. Its core concept is decentralization. There is no single controller. All participants maintain an immutable ledger together. Digital signatures ensure the authenticity and ownership of transactions, allowing everyone to control their own digital assets. Through complex consensus mechanisms, participants worldwide jointly verify transactions, ensuring the security of the decentralized network. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is building a financial ecosystem without traditional intermediaries, challenging the position of conventional banks. Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, demonstrated the power of this technology. It ushered in a new era of digital assets, enabling the transfer of value without relying on traditional financial institutions. Beyond simple value transfer, platforms like Ethereum introduced smart contracts, allowing blockchain to execute more complex agreements. Now, your wealth can be stored in a digital wallet, managed and traded anytime, anywhere. From mobile phones to wearable devices, digital payment methods are diversifying, making life more convenient. Virtual and augmented reality offer new interfaces for interacting with financial data. The metaverse promises new economies, built on digital assets and decentralized finance. The combination of the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence will give rise to automated financial transactions, even autonomous payments between machines. Biometric security offers enhanced protection for our digital assets. The potential of blockchain extends far beyond. It is being applied in supply chains, intellectual property, digital identity, and more, enhancing transparency and trust. From mobile payments in Africa to the QR code economy in Asia, digital payments are connecting the globe at an unprecedented pace. The internet ushered in an era of instant global transactions.
I think we're good to go.
Perfect.
Online banking brought unprecedented convenience
Great,
to our
another successful
fingertips.
Transfer complete.
Mobile payments further transformed how we interact with money, making it seamless and ubiquitous. From small street vendors to large shopping malls, the widespread adoption of digital payments has greatly improved transaction efficiency.
You see?
Bringing financial
connected.
services to the unbanked, mobile technology
Now
democratized
everyone can
access
judge.
to finance. We stand at a crossroads in financial history where tradition and innovation coexist, challenges and opportunities are intertwined. How to balance efficiency and security, innovation and regulation is a common challenge faced by the global
Yes, but I have
financial
a low
sector. Central banks worldwide are also actively exploring digital currencies, known as CBDCs. They combine the stability of traditional currency with the efficiency of digital technology. These central bank digital currencies aim to combine stability with digital efficiency. Artificial intelligence is deeply integrated into finance, from risk assessment to robo-advisors, significantly improving decision-making accuracy. Yet with innovation come new vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity is paramount in the digital age. From data breaches to ransomware, the threats are constant and evolving. And cutting-edge technologies like quantum computing herald the immense changes and challenges that future financial security may face. From shells to Bitcoin, humanity's pursuit of financial security has never ceased. Every technological revolution comes with risks and opportunities. Traditional financial institutions are actively embracing change, integrating new technologies to provide safer and more convenient services for their clients. Regulatory bodies are also continuously improving laws and regulations to balance innovation and protect consumer rights and maintain financial stability. Emerging fintech companies, with their innovative capabilities, are constantly expanding the boundaries of financial services. Future financial security will increasingly rely on robust technological infrastructure and stringent security protocols. New authentication methods and encryption technologies are crucial for future security. Quantum computing poses both a threat and an opportunity for encryption. Artificial intelligence will play an increasing role in fraud detection and personalized financial advice. Financial literacy remains crucial for navigating complex modern systems. Collaboration across nations and institutions is key to building a resilient global financial future. The next generation will inherit a financial world more interconnected and dynamic than ever before.
Okay, so if we
Innovation continues in the pursuit of unbreakable security.
Precisely. But we need to account for the entropy in the
The horizon of financial security is ever expanding, promising both challenges and unparalleled opportunities. Every innovation creates ripples, shaping the future of our financial world. Our journey for financial security is an ongoing evolution, driven by trust, technology, and human ingenuity. The future of finance lies in balancing innovation with robust safeguards. Ultimately, the goal remains the same: to provide freedom and peace of mind. As we navigate this evolving landscape, our journey towards a secure and inclusive financial future continues. This is a never-ending journey. Let's wait and see, and together witness a new chapter in financial security.